Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? That's a good one. Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. This is from NAFS, or it's from Ben, and Ben doesn't tell me anymore when he's sending me stuff. He just sends it, which I think is really fun. I've come to be, after the last package, I'm a little hesitant, but I'm excited to see what's in here. I hope there are no challenges involved, but of course, if there are, I must accept. I'm obligated to, right? Thanks so much to my patrons who are supporting me right now. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Seriously, I do love, to Ben, I do appreciate the random packages. These are always fun. I have absolutely no idea what is in here. Oops, I don't want to accidentally cut into anything. This... Yes, much better. This is much more appetizing than the. Oh my god! So the last, jeez, that is the. Oh my god! I'm gonna rewrap this. Is this all one thing? Oh my god! That is the biggest snake. Oh my kids are gonna be pumped. I'm gonna make sure and reseal this and let. Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you. How random. Is there more in here? Surely there, yeah. Okay, so I was going to say, surely there's a knife. What is this? Oh, Big League Chew. Wonderful. He says he's guessing at this point. What I'll be into. Thank you, Ben. That's very nice. I appreciate that. Ben and company. What is the knife? I can't believe I accidentally cut into that. It's a good thing those are easy to reseal. What do we have here? Ooh. Oh boy, what do we have? Let's find out. We have here the Big Banter, and I think yes. So you guys have probably seen. I actually had another unboxing video where we sent me a sample of this, and I don't know if Ben knew that or not. I'm very appreciative to have another one. Definitely. That way, I can keep one and I can give one away. As of the time of this video, I have been using this knife a lot. The other one that I have. And this thing is absolutely wonderful. Mainly the ergonomics of this thing and just the general size of it are more to my preferences. And I think that this knife is less about hand size and more about knife preference, which is something that Ben does a good job. Of when it just comes to catering to the varying preferences of people who like knives, right? You don't have to have big hands to like a big knife, and you don't have to have small hands to like a small knife, right? It just comes down to what your preferences are when it comes to use. And like many of you, my preferences change depending on the setting. Right? So I have the baby banter, I have the regular banter, and now I have the big banter, and I prefer them all for different circumstances. This knife has replaced the knife that sits in the little console area of my truck. It's just now the main knife that sits in there. It's just kind of straightforward. It's exactly what I like. And as I mentioned in the unboxing, the first unboxing of this, the positioning of the thumb stud, the positioning of the liner lock, and just the general overall flow of things just makes it really, really good. These are, if you're not familiar, these are in CPM 20 CV, peel ply texture G10, pretty straightforward, and it's got a good price on it. As of the time of this video, right, if you're watching this right now, you should be able to pick this up. Also, I have completed the review of this knife, and you just haven't seen it yet because it's scheduled to go up, fairly soon. But spoiler alert, this thing is very good. It's not gonna win any awards for most out of this world, right? I mean, the exact opposite of this would be something designed by maybe like from Arcane Design or something like that. It's just a wild, totally different aesthetic. But there's a different place, a different sort of preference parameter that can be applied to that.
I don't know why I'm adding so many syllables to something that's pretty easy to understand. There's a very distinct reason that I like this, and it is because it is simple and straightforward and utilitarian. I appreciate that you can get some different, like you have some different aesthetic options. Like for example, this one has the blue studs on it. I really like the clip on this, but just, yeah, in general, it just makes a really, really good tool. I don't know that a whole lot more needs to be said. I did want to... After I realized what was in here, I had to cut the video because I had to decide whether or not I wanted to, upload this, given that I already have this. But I think the gigantic Snickers bar and the Big League Chew are too funny not to share this. So now that I have two, you guys can expect to see one of them given away on the channel, probably during a live stream. So if you didn't know, I give a lot of knives away, usually on live stream. So if you needed a reason to subscribe, right? If my glowing personality is not enough for you, that's a joke. Then there you go. You can join me on the weekends for live streams where I give away knives, such as this one. Thank you very much to Ben. Always looking forward to your packages. Make sure you guys check out knafs.com. That's KNAFS.com. I'll make sure that it's linked right down below. That's Ben's website. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.